First you have to run anime realistic. So you have to run this file, and it will take at least 30 minutes to install all the software it has. I have already installed it, and in your browser there is a window will load. As you can see, there is no website here. It is running in your machine locally. So you have to simply type first a man or a girl. It is a simple prompt that I am going to run, and you have to click generate. It will take some time. As you can see, there is a sampling and steps is going on, and it's working. As you can see, there are two images are going to run in this software. We can change it later on. First result and second result. Without any details, we at least get some decent amount of work done by this software. So we know how it all works. So it is on basic level. We type here prompt, like what we are thinking in our mind. We write here and it will show us what we want to see. I want to see frog jumping in pond. Let's generate. Every time you write a prompt, it will actually amaze you. As you can see, the work it done is really amazing. I like better this one. It is actually a decent work done by our machine. In our coming lectures, we will going to explore all these things one by one. All the settings, all the styles, all the models, all the advanced and LoRa's. We will going to explore all these things in our coming lectures. So stay tuned. See you in next lecture. Welcome back on this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to upscale this image so we can sell our image, or we can print our image. If something amazing we have made using this generative AI tool and we want to print it, how we can do this? If it is only in KBs, for the dimension we have of this image is in very low resolution. So how we can print it out or sell it online? So for this thing, we have a upscale option here. First, you have to check input image and drag this image here, and you can see there are many options here: disable, very supple, very strong supple, and very upscale 2x fast. Whenever you click any of these things and generate and click on generate, it will take some time. Not every time, but first time it will download some software online automatically. You don't have to do anything. You just only need internet connection, a fast internet connection, because all these files are about 6 GB, 10 GB approximation. Even if you click this option and you click on generate, it will take some time for the first time only. After downloading it, it will run smoothly. So I already have run all these options. That is why it's not taking much time for me. It is not downloading the software again and again. It is only for first time. In the input image section, there is an option upscale or variation. You have to drag this image here and upscale 2x. First, we are going to upscale this image. Let's see. I am fast forwarding the video so that you don't have to waste more time on these things. It will take about 30 seconds to process this one image, or approximation 1 minute to 2 minutes depending the powerful machine you are using. While it's processing, so where we can see our generated images. In the folder that you have extracted, open it, open Fooocus and search for outputs. Double click here and you can see all the images that is already arranged in the folder date wise. Today 24/8/23, I'm going to open it and you can see all these images that I have already generated. Like you can see, it is actually done a very good job. It is feel like that I have already clicked this image in a studio, but it is not a studio. Here are the images that our software generated. So let's see. Let's check out the KBs it already have. It's about 914 KB and the image that is generated first second. So it is about 3.8 MB of image, and we can zoom it out. It has already done really amazing job. As you can see, it is all pixelated with no upscale. But after upscale, when I zoom in, you can see the detail of the image. Like someone has already clicked this image in his or her DSLR. So there is 2 outputs we get here. If you want to further upscale this image, you only need to drag this image. Like I cross it out and I have to drag our upscaled image that we already did and upscale it again 2x and generate it. It will increase the MB of your image about 10 to 16 MB or 20 MB depending on the resolution of the image. So we are going to click on variable and generate this image. In advanced mode and click on image number, we can increase or decrease it. The maximum amount of images you can generate is 32 and minimum is 1. So in advanced tab, click on image number, that is 1, and generate it again with variable change. Let's see what it will do to our image. As we process with each option, you will get to know what all these options done to our image or our AI generated image, picture, art, whatever you can call it. There is a slight change when it upscale it. Let's select very strong, and I'm not going to use any prompt here. Click on generate. So I'm going to use our low resolution image, so it will take a small amount of time. Let's very strong. As you can see, the changes it already done with our picture with very subtle and with very strong subtle. So here it has done already a change in our picture. As you can see the difference in our picture. So you understand the power of this software. It is the same frog that it has already generated, and now there is another angle with the same frog and with the same view. It feels like that there is someone who's standing in front of this frog and clicking the images from different angles. You can see the power of this amazing generative AI tool. So here we have not received any output in our output folder. So you can save this image by clicking the download icon here and open this image. Here we have a downloaded image and you can upscale it further. It is up to you and it is about your satisfaction. When you are satisfied with the output, you can save it and print it out and sell it anywhere, and you can show your work to whole world. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. So in the coming lecture, we are going to explore advanced section. See you in next lecture. Thank you.